In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a chat in Microsoft Teams. Pinning a chat is really handy when you have conversations you use all the time, like your manager, your team, or a key project group. Instead of scrolling through a long list of recent messages, you can pin those chats so they always stay at the top, ready to open in a single click. First, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're signed in with your account. On the left-hand side of the Teams window, look for the chat icon. It usually looks like a speech bubble. Go ahead and click on chat. This takes you to your main chat area where you can see all your recent one-on-one and group conversations. Once you're on the chat screen, take a moment to find the specific chat you want to pin. This could be a person you message frequently or a group chat you need to access throughout the day. If you don't see it right away, scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the conversation by typing the person's name or the chat title. When you've found the chat you want to pin, move your mouse over that chat in the list. You'll see a few icons or options appear, but what you're looking for is the three dots, often called the More Options menu. This is usually located to the right of the chat name. Click on those three dots to open a small drop-down menu with additional actions you can take on that conversation. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Pin. Go ahead and click on Pin. As soon as you do, Teams will move that chat to a special section at the top of your chat list, often labeled Pinned. This makes it much easier to find later because it won't get pushed down the list as new messages come in from other people. You can repeat these same steps for any other chats you want to keep within easy reach. Just remember, open chat, find the conversation, click the three dots, and then select Pin. If you ever change your mind, you can use that same menu to unpin the chat and send it back to the normal list. And that's all you need to know to pin a chat in Microsoft Teams and keep your most important conversations front and center.